Welcome. Today we'll learn the basics about LaTeX using ChatGPT. This is very useful, especially for the beginner. I have already opened my ChatGPT account and let's start. Go to message box of the ChatGPT. Just write provide code for hello. This is very basic LaTeX code. You can check this easily using LaTeX editor or overlay. I'll use a LaTeX editor. From here we can copy the code. Open my text studio. This is the LaTeX editor. Create a new file from here and then paste the code. Save this file. Give some name. Now we can compile from here. This is our first LaTeX document. Hello. Now we'll create a basic LaTeX template for an article. Just write provide LaTeX template for a basic article. This is the code we can copy. If you are a beginner, you can easily use the code. Here you can put your content, introduction, section 1, section, subsection. Similarly, you can add other sections as well. In fact, section titles also we can create using ChatGPT. Just write add section, titles, introduction, materials and methods, results, discussion, conclusion. All right. Bibliography is also there. We can uncomment, Control U. At this place we can put our bib file. Else we can use a basic bibliography. Just write add basic bibliography code. So here we can put author name, title, journal name, year, volume, page number. This is the bib key which we can use to cite the reference. In the same template, we can ask ChatGPT to add the figure and tables. This is an example of table and this is an example of figure. So at this place, if you have some figures, you can add figure name and caption. Now we can set the font size. For example, I want to add font size 12 point, font size 12 point, paper size A4, and font similar to Times New Roman. Page margin also we can set. All right. This is the margin times font. This is for fancy table. We can ask ChatGPT to print some dummy text. So this package is used for the dummy text, and for printing the dummy text, lift sum command is used. Anything you can add or remove. For example, this one I don't want, so I can remove. I want to use BIF file. So LaTeX has created one BIF file, and this BIF file will be added in this article template in the last at this place. With this name, BibTeX file is created. So you can copy the code and create one bib file. Create one file. Save this in the same working folder. You can write references or ref dot bib. Then go to your main file. Remove this. I'll copy only last two commands. Here my bib file name is ref, not references. So I'll use ref only. References only appears when we cite. If we don't cite, it will not appear. We can ask ChatGPT to print the references without citing. So there is one command, no site. All right. Similarly, we can create a report template or book template. You can copy the code and paste at your LaTeX editor or overleaf. And anytime you can edit your LaTeX file using ChatGPT. It's very easy. We can easily create the LaTeX code for the table. For example, in this PDF, I want a LaTeX code for this table. So just copy the data and paste here in the message ChatGPT. Before pasting, just write provide LaTeX code. We can create fancy tables. In this case, book types package has been used. We can ask ChatGPT to provide the table code only. Only LaTeX table code. Similarly, we can print a equation. Copy this. Simple equation we can easily print, but if equation is very complicated in several lines, then there would be some problem. You will have to edit. Smartly, if you ask ChatGPT, then even you can create a complicated equation code, LaTeX code. I want to print this reaction. Let us check. Here I want to print non-italic formula. Just write print non-italic. All right. Otherwise, if you know about the one package which is known as mhchem, that you can use it directly. So this is very easiest way to learn the LaTeX using ChatGPT. So that's all for the 2 day learning. Thanks for watching.